Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have ever wanted to use your mobile phone as a second display for your PC or laptop, then you have clicked on the perfect video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step how you can mirror or extend your PC screen to your mobile using a free software called Spacedesk. We'll cover two easy methods, one using Wi-Fi and the other using a USB data cable for faster and more stable performance. Before we dive in, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or any browser on your PC. In the search bar, type Spacedesk and open the official website. Now click on the download section and select the version that matches your Windows operating system. Once the download finishes, open the file and install Spacedesk viewer and driver. With this installed, your PC is now ready to share its display with your mobile device, whether to mirror or extend your screen. Now let's move to the mobile screen. Go to the Google Play Store and search for Spacedesk. Install the app and open it. Now make sure both your PC and mobile are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once connected, the app will automatically detect your PC's IP address. Just tap it. Within a few seconds, your PC screen will appear on your mobile. You can now use your mobile as a second monitor, control your PC remotely, or use touch controls if your phone supports it. If your Wi-Fi connection is slow or unstable, you can also connect using a USB data cable for a smoother experience. Here's how. Connect your mobile phone to your PC using a USB cable. On your phone, open Settings. Connections. Mobile hotspot and tethering. Turn on USB tethering. Now open the Spacedesk app again. You'll see a new IP address appear. Tap on it to connect. And there you go. Your PC display is now running on your mobile through a stable wired connection, which is perfect for tasks like video editing, streaming, or presentations. Now if you want to extend your display instead of just mirroring it, follow these simple steps. On your PC, right-click on the desktop and choose Display Settings. Scroll down to Multiple Displays. From the drop-down menu, select Extend these displays. Now you'll have two separate screens, your main monitor and your mobile screen. You can drag any window or app from your PC to the mobile screen, perfect for keeping YouTube, notes, or chat windows open while working on something else. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.